Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, easy to make, nice and hot and spicy Escovitch fish. So let's get into it. I got this snapper straight off the Gulf, nice and fresh. I got it nice and cleaned up, washed up, and good to go. This is 2 whole snappers, and I just chopped it up, honey, okay? But you can leave yours whole if you prefer. That's fine. This is what I'm going to use to season the fish. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so you can check that out when you get a chance, okay? Also, this fish is very fresh. I'm only using these 2 spices. If you want loads of seasoning, go ahead. But I like to taste my food, okay? Especially when the fish is fresh. All right? And the good thing about cooking is you can, fix it to how you prefer it. It's not going to ruin it. But I prefer less seasoning with fresh fish. And this is what it looks like. And now we're just going to fry it up. Child, don't talk about my pot. It done been through some things, honey. It is old, it is ragged, but it works, okay? And I'm just gonna fry 4 pieces at a time so it can have wiggle room. It doesn't boil, it fries and get nice and golden and crusty like how you're seeing it in my broken pot, okay? Yes, I fried the head of the fish as well because, honey, I'm gonna tear that fish up. All right, I eat all parts of the fish, the eyeballs, everybody. And so, yeah, so you want to fry it up for about 4 to 5, not 45 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes per side until it's nice and golden brown like mine. I had it on medium high. Medium high. You want the oil to be like 375, a little higher than chicken because fish cooks really fast. So you don't want it to slow cook. You're not trying to slow fry the fish. You need it to, once it's nice and brown, it's cooked. You don't need to check the inside. If the fish is brown, it's cooked because it's cooked, honey, okay? So I removed it, and now I added the second batch. Look how beautiful this fish looks. All right, in this bowl, I have habanero, garlic, carrots, peppers, onions, and now I'm going to saute it down in a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of the frying oil. That's what's in my skillet currently. I'm going to saute this down for 2 minutes, and I think I'm probably pushing it with 2 minutes, honey, because you don't want to break the vegetables down too much. The vinegar still has to go in here. So about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, you guys know. And now I'm going to sprinkle in some salt. I did not have any allspice berries, so I used grounded allspice, and that's what I just put in there. And that's it. You see how my vegetables, they're not even all the way translucent, but they are starting to break down. And now I'm going to add some vinegar. I'm using 2 types of vinegar, but you can use 1 type if you prefer. I just wanted that flavor profile. Also, I make pickled onions every single week. And those videos are out. So, yeah. And then I added some sugar, and that's it. That's the sauce. This sauce is delicious. Okay, I call it a sauce, but it's not a sauce. This is a pickle. These pickled vegetables are very spicy. They're tangy. They're balanced. And it's going to be great on the fish. You could also eat this with chicken. You're good to go. So now I'm going to plate it up. But can we get into how beautiful the fish is fried? Like, I can't even deal. And this is why I didn't even put the juice from the pickle over top. Some people do it because, honey, this fish is just giving. It's life, okay? It's giving. So now I'm going to put the pickled vegetables all over top. Y'all, I'm going to tear this up this week, okay? Period. All this week, I'm going to be eating fish. But this is what it looks like, you guys. I appreciate y'all watching. If you try these recipes, any recipe, tag me and let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm not on social media that much, but sometimes I still put them below. But, just put your girl name in the social media, honey. You find me, baby. But this is the fish. Look how flaky, golden, crispy, opaque. Look at that fish. Like, I can't even deal. You got to put a piece of habanero, a piece of pepper, a piece of onion. This your bite. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Happy Easter. Bye.